Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones Bowers and Wilkins PX7. You can play it, pause the song by press one time at the multifunctional button. So I'm just press on it and I play a song, I press again and I pause the song. If you want to increase the volume, use volume up button right here. So just press on it or press and hold, and as you can see I increase the volume. And to lower the volume, use volume down button. So just press or press and hold. Here we go. If you want to play next track, just press one time on 2 times on your multifunctional button. 1, 2. And I swap to the next track. If you want to play previous track, just press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And here we go. Also we have right here on the left ear cup button to enable or disable ANC. So just press one time to enable ANC and just click on it until you can hear that ANC is turned off to turn off it. Now, if you want to enable transparency mode, just press and hold. And we just enable it, and if you want to disable it, just press and hold again to disable it. Here we go. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time on your multifunctional button. So I'm just pressing it. Now, right here, you can mute the microphone by pressing 3 times on the multifunctional button. 1, 2, 3. Here we go, we just mute the microphone. Yeah, we have no information here, but it muted. And if you want to unmute it, just press 3 times again. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Now, to finish the call, just press 1 time on the multifunctional button. And the last one. You can reject a call by pressing hold multifunctional button. And as you can see, I am just reject a call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!